Bending is a manufacturing process, in which sheet metals are straining around a straight axis and plastically deformed to its final curved form. The precision in the dimension is a major concern in sheet metal bending process because of the considerable elastic recovery during unloading, which is known as the spring back. This experiment aims to investigate some factors affecting the spring back, such as sheet thickness and material properties. This picture reveals the experimental setup in the machine shop, at which the experiment was conducted. The test setup comprises a handle to carry out the bending of sheet metal specimen, that is to be deformed in the form of a die, and with the help of a punch. The details of the equipment and the materials are shown in this picture. Die is the major component that provides the sheet metal with its final form. The sheet metal is to be bent within the die and the punch pair. In this experiment, 3 different specimens, with alternating thickness and different material properties, was bent to final shape. The experiment begins with the placement of the metal specimen between the die and the punch. Then, the operator pulls the handle of the hand press until the sheet metal part completely fills the die cavity. When the pressure is released, the effect of spring back can be observed. Since the effect of material and the sheet thickness will be investigated, the same procedure is repeated for the given 3 different specimens. At the end of the experiment, the final shape of the 3 specimens are drawn to a piece of paper. Thus, the geometric information, such as the radius of the bend, and the relevant angles about the bending, could be specified.